Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of repairing the MSI MS-17A3 motherboard. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spanner set, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely disassembling and reassembling your motherboard. Start by powering down your device and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover of your laptop using the Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious as you unscrew the various screws. Keep them organized to avoid confusion later. It's advisable to use a magnetic tray to hold the screws securely. Once the back cover is off, you will see the motherboard. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean the internal components using compressed air. This will help remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated, ensuring optimal performance. Now let's focus on the motherboard itself. If you notice any visible damage, such as burnt components or broken traces, these will need to be addressed. For minor repairs, you may require a soldering iron and solder. If you're not comfortable with soldering, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. As you inspect the motherboard, pay close attention to the capacitors and connectors. If any capacitors appear bulged or leaking, they will need to be replaced. Use your spanner to carefully remove any components blocking access to these capacitors. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. After replacing any faulty components, it's crucial to reassemble the motherboard carefully. Ensure that all screws are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the back cover and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Before powering on your device, double-check all connections and ensure that no tools are left inside the casing. It's a good practice to run a final inspection to confirm that everything is in order. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, power on your device and monitor its performance. If you encounter any issues, it may be worth considering our services, as we can handle the repair process for you without the hassle of calls or travel. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope your MSI MS-17A3 motherboard is now functioning optimally. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.